National Jet Company is a precision machine shop that specializes in micro holes for the textile industry, the aerospace industry, the medical industry, and the nuclear industry. Micro drilling, of course, is a very arbitrary term across the world, but the way National Jet describes micro drilling is between the size of 20 thousandths of an inch in diameter and as small as a half a thousandth of an inch in diameter.
I think probably one of our main goals is trying to get consistent, reliable performance so that you have a reliable process that you can know how long it'll take to get the job done, what type of results you will get, and then can quote the job accurately.
The expectations that our customers have has changed over the years. In the early years, our customers would actually send us the parts that they wanted the small holes drilled in. And that's changed now to where we've become a much more vertically integrated company where we manufacture the entire part, including the small holes.
We had purchased a aftermarket high pressure through the spindle unit for a existing machine that we have, and the manufacturer of the high pressure unit recommended a REGO-FIX ER16 holder. I believe we started out with 6 tool holders, and as we continued to improve our process and increase productivity because of the improvements through the spindle process and so on, we needed additional holders. We added additional machines, so we needed holders to go along with them. And as we kept improving everything, we eventually upgraded to the PG power grip system.
REGO-FIX is a very important company to us. It offers a product that allows us to hold small drills and other tools in our CNC equipment that we've not been able to attain with other vendors. And we have considered a lot of other vendors over the years and even some trial and error systems on our own. We found REGO-FIX to offer levels of performance that we've not gotten from anyone else.
We have looked at several different systems over the years, and none of them have given us the capability that the power grip does with being able to hold multiple shank diameters with extremely good accuracy for run out and very good clamping force similar to a hydraulic chuck for milling.
We've tried many different types of systems, and for various reasons they've just not been as accurate, and the accuracy manifests itself in advantages with tool life, greater diameter control, and just delivering a more quality product.
Before power grip, we would have to monitor tool life and consistency very closely, run so many holes or so much machining time, pull the tool out, look at it, put it back in the machine, run it further if it would allow, or replace it. With the power grip, things are consistent enough. We can mount up whatever we need for the job and cut it loose at quitting time and come in the morning to a finished product.
I think National Jet has a very bright future. It's involved in a variety of industries now, and I think it'll be involved in more industries. And as technology develops across the world, we hope to take advantage of that technology in our shop and then offer that to our customers. And it's one of the reasons why we like to come to work every day, because we never know who we're going to be talking to, what industry we're going to be involved with. So it's a very exciting business.